If you're encountering the 403 forbidden error in Safari on your iPhone, it can be frustrating. This error typically means that you do not have permission to access the requested resource or that there are issues with your network or website settings. Here are the steps to troubleshoot and fix the 403 forbidden error on your iPhone. So let's get started. Before you follow any other process, make sure the URL you entered is correct. Double check for any typos or errors in the address. If these are not the case, then try with the following steps to resolve your issue. Solution 2. Clear Safari cache and data. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down and find Safari, scroll down and select Clear History and Website Data. Confirm your action by tapping Clear History and Data. Solution 3. Check Internet connection. Swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center. Ensure that you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you have issues, you can enable airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off after that. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data or vice versa to see if the issues resolves. Solution 4. Disable VPN or proxy. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap General. Scroll down and tap VPN and Device Management. Toggle off VPN if it's enabled. VPNs can sometimes block access to certain websites. If the problem persists, you may need to contact the website administrator for further assistance. Thanks for watching.